Hello, traders! Thank you so much for joining us into today's live stream. For those that don't know who I am, my name is Guna. I have been trading for almost 4 years now. The purpose of this live stream and my whole entire YouTube page is just to provide as much free knowledge, motivation, trading ideas, to be honest, also because I do share trading opportunities which you guys can uh, jump along for the ride. Is it correct? I just not so sure already lah. But overall, okay, my page is just there in hopes that I'm able to help the younger version of myself who started off trading almost 4 years ago and struggled a lot. So I'm doing this in hopes that it will be able to help out as many traders as possible, especially those that just starting out lah. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, okay, or you guys just like to say hi, please feel free to say hi through the chat section in the chat box right there. If you guys are struggling with trading yourself and maybe there is a certain type of topic that you guys would like to understand further, right, just leave a comment. If it's something that I really know about, okay, I will definitely make a video about it. If I don't know also, give me some time, I will learn it for you guys. I will make sure I really understand it to the root cause and then I will try to make a video, but it will take some time because I want to make sure that the things I teach you guys actually works. Like, that's why I give you guys live predictions to show you guys how the market actually move. So today's session we'll be talking about Solana. So interestingly, we spoke about this yesterday. Okay, so that's why I'm quite excited to speak about it right now. Okay, so let's jump right into it. Okay, so for Solana trade, initially price actually broke above this zone. Okay, and I was kind of anticipating for a buying opportunity, which is why you can see a mini order block zone right here. Can you see? I am actually dragging it right now, lah. Okay, so my anticipation was for price, since it broke above. This was the retest, and then I want to see a push up. I did not enter this trade, okay, because I highlighted yesterday about Bitcoin and also ETH because they were, you see, moving down, guys. Okay, this is what I highlighted yesterday. So you see, ETH was really respecting that zone and was moving towards the downside. Um, there is opportunity today. Okay, if you guys actually did not manage to capture BTC, because I highlighted yesterday, if you guys are aiming for sales, go for BTC, which is very beautifully actually moving towards the downside. Okay, but to be fair, okay, we cannot just like very confident say that all the way it will go here. There is still a chance for it to take out certain form of liquidity, break through this range and then continue up. This can happen also. Okay, but that is trading. Okay, that is trading. If it does that, it is okay. That's how we learn. Okay, so every mistake we make in trading, treat it as a really a gold mine. Okay, I give you an example. Let's say if you guys are starting off your foundational basis in trading, like let's say the most basic one, support and resistance. Okay, support and resistance. Let's say you're starting off with support and resistance, and when you draw your support and then your resistance, and then okay, maybe I draw it better. Good. Okay, let me draw it. Okay, so imagine this is resistance because resistance is always above price. Okay, so this is your support. Okay, so let's say like price coming from above here, sorry, from below. Okay, like above. Okay, so it came into resistance. Okay, so resistance job is to push price back down, right? So right now price came into this range. Okay, wait, one more time. Price came here. Okay, our anticipation for price to do next is what? Go for buy. Correct? Because this is support. It is supposed to do that. But sorry, not supposed to do that. Most likely, right? This is how the market is. Maybe it tends to react lah. Okay, but then what happened? Boom! This happens. Then what we do usually as traders is we blame the strategy. We say, yeah, this one doesn't work, this one doesn't work, that one doesn't work. But okay, in my years of losing, okay, I start to figure out when we made a loss, right? Why instead of blaming the strategy, we do not maybe filter it out? Maybe this was the support instead of our previous idea. Because we must humble ourselves in trading and remember, if especially if we are new, we are just starting out, right? We tend to make mistakes. It is not the strategy, guys. Any errors in the market, we have to grow up, we have to suck it in, we have to let ourselves know it is our responsibility. We are the one that press that button, either buy or either sell. Okay? So if any losses were made, okay, and then you really make sure, okay, the strategy, everything is correct, then that is something we cannot control. That is the reason why, as traders, we no traders, even AI also cannot have a win rate of 100%. Okay, we will have win rate highest, well, really high. I've seen 80 plus percent, which is crazy. Okay, 60%, 70%. So you are bound to lose the balance 30%, the balance 40%, balance 20%. You're bound to lose. There are trades that will go against your bias, and that's okay. That is totally okay. That is the part of trading. Okay, but if you guys are starting out, please, when you guys draw, for example, I just give you an example, support and resistance, and then let's say initially price was here, okay, you went for a buy, but then after the price went below, just pause, don't blame the strategy, try to figure out, you know what, maybe there is a, maybe not that low lah, okay, maybe here lah. There's a probability that the support could be here. So then what eventually can happen, you can have the same bias again. So it could do this, and then it could go. So through the mistake, you were able to identify and understand where your actual support or resistance should have been this whole time. And the best part, because you make that mistake only, you're able to learn. The majority, right, mistakes of what I personally done in my trading career, whenever wrong, I delete everything. I delete all the support resistance. You know, it made me annoyed. Oh, it never worked. It never worked. If you guys been through this, it's okay. It is part of it. Okay, I think majority of traders also went through this now. Okay, it is part of your journey. Just be proud of it. Definitely something that we can learn, guys. Definitely. So for now, BTC is moving down as what we expected it to be, but I am kind of anticipating for either retest. Okay, the reason behind that is because Solana, we already had this retest. Okay, ETH, we didn't have the retest. Okay, but we are moving down, but it's actually related to Dogecoin. Because Dogecoin, we are currently inside of a zone. Okay, I even wrote this earlier, so can focus on sales one price breaks through. So this is kind of what I am anticipating to happen. It is not a confirmed thing. I kind of predicting that price may break through this zone and not really respect the zone. There are a few confluences behind it. One of it being that these three cryptocurrency exchange really have a bit of room to move lower. Okay, if they want to, again, it's not confirmed. You see, a little bit of room still to move lower. Okay, so Dogecoin is already inside of that zone. So if majority of them move lower, there's a high probability that Dogecoin may follow. So it could break below this range. So I'm kind of waiting for a break, retest, and then sell. Okay, so let me just bring this close by to show you guys. Yeah, so this is why I dropped earlier lah. Okay, this is just what I'm anticipating. Is not necessarily what could be happening, but why I say a pullback could be happening right now is because this is a very strong impulse move down, and Dogecoin, we are inside of a support zone. Sorry, not resistance, only resistance. So we tend to see some sort of movements lah, towards the upside. Probably if we want to move down, the move is necessary in order to take out certain forms of liquidity prior to us seeing this break under the resistance, support, still support now, and then initially we break already, it will become resistance lah. So just wait for that retest inside of this area. watch what price will do. I will apply all of my own personal trading strategy, my conferences and everything to confirm buyers lah for entry model prior to entering this trade. But majority is kind of telling me, my bias is that this zone may not hold. But again, I could be wrong. We have to see, because since it's still now only 8 o'clock, so New York session open at 9:30, and at 8:30 we have news, New York news. I saw something retail sales or something. So that may impact the market. Okay, we never know, but it is an impactful news. It did mention that. So we will just have to wait and see. Okay, I did today video won't be long, guys, because I cannot really give you guys a prediction for forex pairs also. The reason being because I still have not seen that much of opportunity occurring in forex yet as of now. Hold on, guys. But if you were to ask me, right? If you were to ask me, okay, I would say you guys can focus on AUD USD lah. Probably for a sell opportunity, just probably, we can focus on selling for AUD USD. Yeah, AUD USD, because currently it's inside of this resistance range also. This key level range now. It's not really a resistance range. It's actually, there's a way how to draw this. I just say it's upon resistance. It's actually not. This is based on my personal trading strategy on how I'm drawing these zones. Yes, you guys will see, oh, it's actually, it is considered as a resistance, kind of, okay, but there's a little bit more tips and tricks inside of it on how to actually get as accurate as possible, because to be honest, you cannot really get a very accurate, if you're drawing support or resistance, no one really can get an actual accurate one. It's all based on your experience in the market and what you can actually see. So I found a way how we can actually draw key levels like this in a very easy way, based on how price action is actually speaking to us. Okay, if you guys are interested to learn that, okay, you guys can actually text me to learn directly from me. My WhatsApp link is actually in the description, blah blah blah. Every day my tongue twists or something one. I really hope my tongue wouldn't twist today. CC twist today. You guys can request to learn from me directly. I have my WhatsApp link in the description below. Or if you guys do not want to text me, you guys can choose your number and text me lah. You guys can click the Instagram link, which I have my Instagram handle also in the description below, where you guys can send me a DM there. Just remember, please let me know you guys are from YouTube, because I'm really trying to push my best for my YouTube channel in hopes that I'm able to reach out to as many traders that are really trying to achieve something in the market. I really hope that I'm able to give some sort of value, in the sense that it can help them grow or really see their first feeling of profitability, like experience that for themselves. I really hope I can do that. There will be such an energy booster for me, such an inspiration for me to keep going. Even now, also a few of you guys that tell me that my live streams and also my videos have helped you guys. The energy, I cannot explain to you guys how I feel inside. I appreciate every single one of you that join the live stream, watch the videos, subscribe to the channel. If you guys haven't subscribed, please feel free to do so. I post live streams like this, giving my analysis, teaching you guys as much as I can, especially giving you guys potential trading entry models. Okay, from Monday to Friday. This is what I do. Hello, Lion. Thank you so much for joining the live stream today. Can't wait to join the class, sir. I appreciate that so much. All of this is positive energy for me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, so guys, today's live stream really will be a very short one now. I won't use the excuse again because I never eat yet, even though it is true. Okay, it's not because of that, because there isn't much for us to anticipate. So the only thing you guys, like I said, to focus on, like yesterday we spoke about BTC, that it will be, you guys can focus for sales. It is beautifully doing that right now, and then we can see also a candle having a pullback lamp. So if you guys miss this opportunity, right, for entry model, and you guys are planning to enter, okay, you guys can wait and see where the pullback will happen. If it comes in here and then you start to see bears, okay, a lot more bears come in, you guys can potentially enter for a sell model. But at the same time, if it comes inside this zone and you start to see bulls to the point that price actually closes above this range, don't focus on sell ready. Okay, just hold off your trades. But overall, okay, the market bias is it seems like we are moving down based on ETH, based on Solana. Okay, Solana also we predicted yesterday, so quite nice. Since we did expect it, kind of expected it to break below because BTC and ETH did not support its bias to move higher. The only reason why we're having a pullback, I will just rephrase it again, is because Dogecoin, we are currently inside of a zone right now. Okay, which you see, we saw rejections. Right now, we're probably going to see rejections. If Dogecoin also wants to join the party, to move down lower, he have to move up first to grab enough of liquidity to fill up. Probably you want to fill up this fair value gap. Who knows? I'm not sure. Okay, I cannot really expect what price to do. Okay, we shouldn't do that as traders. We should analyze, we should watch like it's a movie and respect price and only react based on what price action is giving to us today. If it doesn't give it anything today, don't enter anything, guys. Okay, so far our analysis for BTC is okay lah. BTC is going well, Solana is also going well. Dogecoin, I'm kind of waiting for a sell opportunity personally. I'm just waiting and see if it's going to break below this zone or not. If it's not, it's okay, I'm not going to enter. I'm just going to leave it be, because then the overall is like moving down, but Dogecoin you want to move up. That means there's some sort of imbalance. I'm not sure what is happening really. Okay, only if this breaks below, give me a retest, and then of course, just because of this, I won't enter. At the time of the retest, I will check also the other pairs and then see if there is any opportunity for a more of a leg down. Then only I may consider to enter for a sell opportunity. So this opportunity may not arise today for me. It may arise tomorrow. So we'll have to wait and see. Right now also BTC beautiful, but we're having this slight move up. If you guys want to focus anything on Forex, I would recommend AUD USD, where you guys can potentially focus for a sell model. Because so far, GBP USD is kind of like, how to say, supporting that bias, but not yet lah. I would recommend wait at least until New York session, because 8:30, guys, like I said, there's news, impactful news. So wait 9:30, see what's going on first, and then we can give our analysis on whether we should focus on sells or we should focus on buys, because Euro USD is still highlighting for a buy opportunity. Okay, even though GBP USD was highlighting for a sell, it's actually still saying that we should be moving down. So based on this, we already understand there is some sort of imbalance happening right now in price. So we probably is not a good idea to enter the market. So since we already are aware, okay, 8:30, there is a news, right? Impactful news. Just wait. Wait out the news. Wait until 9:30 or so. New York session open. See what happens, and then decide where you guys want to enter the trades. Okay, that's what I'll be doing. I think maybe Forex there might be opportunity for me today lah. Gold, it already came down from the highest point. This is why I also mentioned to you guys, even though there was opportunity, I didn't want to enter, because like I said, there's lack of data. This is only how much data I have to play with. So my confluences is I don't feel confident with them. Regardless, even though yes, it did make a leg up, okay, but now it's making a strong leg down. Yeah, so it's not that pretty lah in terms of price action. I do not like to trade when price goes to all-time high. I like to trade when price goes to all-time low. It's a bit different, because I don't know lah. If you look at the markets, right? Like, okay, maybe I should give you example. I shouldn't just say. Saying is easy. Okay, for example, like gold. Okay, this is a weekly chart. Overall, just look overall lah. Okay, overall we are moving up. gold. Okay, overall we always have been moving up. I know all these dots. I know it's too far to go behind. Okay, I know. But it's just an image to share with you guys. Overall, we are moving up. So even we go to, of course, live now suddenly we go all time low. It's a bit scary. Huh? See where's the all time low? Oh my god, then something wrong with the world already. Okay, but that's why I say like all time low very rare. Like, it doesn't really happen. Actually, we should hope it doesn't happen. If it does, then something wrong with the world already. Then we should be worried. Okay, like COVID time on, the market all drop, man. Some of the markets all go up. Because COVID time made a lot of millionaires, especially, I'm not sure in crypto. I said crypto also got. Yeah, crypto also got. But Forex also got. Forex I know got at the time. A lot of millionaires were made because they just keep buying. I forgot what that. I forgot it was gold or what. I really cannot remember. But they're buying every single dip because the market kept going up and up and up and up and up and up. Yeah. So when got opportunity, guys, jump for it. Okay, but don't simply jump blind. Okay, then you'll say, Guna say jump for it. No, 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 no. Only grab the opportunity if it aligns with your bias and aligns with your comfort and especially your experience in the market. Okay, now you guys play this part. Don't cut the signal and then put it like I said. Just jump for it. Okay, so gold, I cannot give any prediction yet, guys, because it's still within the all-time high. I only once it comes below, if it comes below these ranges, then I probably will have some sort of bias because right now also, right, I kind of think gold may come down. There's also this trend and liquidity. Trend and liquidity all is very delicious for price. Price really like it a lot. Okay, price like to take it out because here got a lot of funds, liquidity lah, basically funds. Let me just mark this out so I also can remember that we spoke about this. So the probability if price breaks below and then I wait for a retest and then my confluences also have to align, then I probably will be aiming for a sell, at least to take out all of this trend and liquidity for gold. But I don't think that will be happening by, no, there's a probability it could happen by today since there is news. Yeah, since there is news, but overall based on price action, it seems like US may be coming out. I don't know. Seems like it will be good. I mean bad lah. I'm not so sure yet because price is a bit too far from, a bit far lah, because this is again 1 hour, guys, a bit far from the zone, almost reaching the zone. Let's see. Let's wait and see. Roughly 8:30, right? But if Euro USD is also saying that we're going up, so probably the news might be bad for US. If the news is bad for US, then AUD USD might break above this range. So if that happens, my bias and your bias, guys, should change to a buying opportunity. Just wait for the retest, and then there are other liquidity ranges that we can aim for. Okay, there are low resistance liquidity ranges around this area. So probably the safe area. Let me see. Give me a moment. Okay, roughly here lah. Okay, so you guys can aim roughly here for the safe area. This is for buy lah. Okay. So just wait and see. 10 minutes time some more. So I'll be ending the live stream before that, guys. I want to wait and see what price action we do. I kind of hoping to enter for forex bet. This week so far I didn't enter any forex bet, only crypto. So I think maybe today I might get that opportunity. So you guys also can just focus on AUD USD. Just watch out and see what price we do after the news. But remember, don't trade just after the news. My advice: wait at least until market open. Okay, after market open, also wait for a while. Don't just market open also straight away trade, because there's a lot of manipulation that will happen during market open to catch all of the newbie traders, okay, before we actually see the proper leg up or down. All right, since we already have our zones, right, so we just focus on that. It's easier to see. If you don't have the zones, then it's a bit difficult to see. You see, if you don't have this, it's a bit more difficult to understand. Yeah. Okay, guys, so I'll be ending the live stream here. I'm so sorry, it is a very short live stream. Okay, If you guys actually looking into the charts yourself, just focus on AUD USD for forex pairs. Now, I would recommend AUD USD, and then for crypto, uh, BTC, I think we may continue to move down like what we anticipated yesterday. Okay, because overall I'm seeing a strong move down. Uh, Crypto, you guys can focus on Dogecoin, like my prediction here also for a sell, but do not enter now. Like I said, wait for it to break really close below this range and a retest. After that, we have to analyze also other charts and see if they also agree with our buyers or not. If yes, then we go for it. Okay, if no, then we just no need lah. Okay, we just don't take the trade. Okay, so ADUSD and Dogecoin. Okay, clear guys. 8:30 going to start already. Ooh, so exciting. Always so exciting one. Remember, don't simply take trades, guys. Okay, just wait, be patient. All right. 9:30 after 9:30, not 9:30. After 9:30, maybe 9:40, 9:45, or even 10, more better. Then you guys see if there's any trading opportunity or not. Because like I said, New York, first 3 hours, good time to trade. Okay. After that, if you got any opportunity or so, it's okay. Just sleep. Okay, your mental health more important. If you take a trade too late, then after that you guys will get so confused. You keep thinking about the trade. Yeah, did I take the trade too late? Yeah, couldn't say first 3 hours. I take the trade on the 4th hour. Then you guys cannot sleep. Then you guys can blame me tomorrow. Then I cry. Don't make me cry, guys. Please, we're all friends. Okay. Okay, guys. So have a wonderful dinner. Thanks. No worries, Durga. Thank you so much for joining today. So sorry, guys. Today's live stream quite short. Okay. Because price actions are quite clear for us to focus on. So if you guys are new, please feel free to subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already, we do this from Monday to Friday. Hopefully, I will continue this as long as I can, so I can give out as much free knowledge and free teachings as possible, in hopes that I can help you guys any way possible. It will make me feel a lot happier in that sense. All right. If you guys are interested to learn from me directly, I have a link in the description below where you guys can WhatsApp me directly, or you guys can follow my Instagram page. Or don't want to follow, so never mind, no problem. You guys can send me a DM then. Just let me know you guys from YouTube. I'll be very happy. Okay, guys, have a wonderful night. Take care, and I'll catch you on the very next live stream. Take care, guys. Bye bye. Happy trading, trade safely.